Hi everyone, welcome to Instructional Technology today. We are going to be taking a look at PONS. It's fun interactive assessment tool that engage students of different age by using websites, assignments, and quizzes. They test student retention and understanding. Also boosting work. This tool is for creativity for elementary school. The teacher have the opportunity to create quiz for himself that is free, and the most popular is for classroom, for teacher. The Bunsen have the creation and communication tool for student educators and administrators to create interactive content, allowing those for all age and visualize concept and communicate creativity. And it's the first page for Ideas Lab. They have the different levels for a student, elementary, middle, high school, post-secondary, and you have filter for topics areas. For example, for art, for home, Booksmart, for education, for English, and different types. Or you can choose here, for example, math, and we can see different temples for you uses. We can use for science. We have for explorers on energy, for creativity show different date times and night, for words, for ABC STEAM. I'll show this one. It's very interesting. The teacher uses for the learn kids for ABC. We have 27 page for A for atom and whole alphabet. I like it because it's fun for the kids. They learn for when the teacher made the own quiz, they can do it well. And we have other one page for create your own quizzes. I have some here. For example, for template I create for my own when I learned for kids for the second grade around for the language. For say hola and hello, language learning. And the second page for in Spanish, ¿cómo te llamas tú? Yo me llamo María. And the third one is for reforce for English and Spanish. What is your name? My name is María. And the fourth page, ¿cómo te llamas tú? For the kids respond what is the answer in Spanish. I think it's fun. You can use different icons. I show one example for create a new bouncy. We use the third version. And we can choose one temple. For example, we look it out for education English. We have template here. For identify adjectives. For use adjectives and adverbs. You have different templates. You can choose, for example, this icon. You can change it. And it's really fun, because you have a lot of icons and templates for make your own quizzes for your kids. And I think it's very important. This kind for tools is for different assessment on use different methods. They have bones for the use the teacher for evaluate and measure the learning progress, skill acquisition need to the student. Thank you.